was left to hold. No trace of thought, no subtle form, no echo from the old. The final movement gently fades. The mind releases every thread. What once appeared as separate paths now rests in what has always been. With nothing left to shape or name, a deeper stillness fills the field. No edge remains, no inner line. All sense of self is healed. Beyond all form, beyond all view, awareness rests as one. The last veil lifts, the way dissolves, and unity is known. No witness stands apart from life. No object waits to be perceived. The seer and the seen are one. In quiet depth, fully relieved. What once was sought through effort long now simply is complete and clear. No journey left, no place to reach, no distance far or near. With nothing left to shape or name, a deeper stillness fills the field. No edge remains, no inner line. All sense of self is healed. Beyond all form, beyond all view, awareness rests as one. The last veil lifts, the way dissolves, and unity is known. No coming here, no going on. No rise, no fall, no sound. The infinite is gently felt where nothing can be found. In total calm, the truth remains unmoved, complete and free, not held by thought or memory, just pure simplicity. The final trace has slipped away. No separation stays. In silent depth, all life is one. Beyond all nights and days, still